What's going on, peeps?
What's going on, guys? It's Decelation, and today is a great day because today starts moving day, baby. So I had my trailer stored at a location, and I had a lot of stuff that we couldn't fit in the house that we're renting and stored in the trailer. So first things first, time to empty this stuff out of the trailer into, well, most of it's going in there. It's a lot of there, yeah, that house, in the outdoor area. I'll eventually show you guys the outdoor area because a lot of it's gym equipment. So I'm gonna get to work. I didn't really film. I downloaded a lot of crap. We're back at the shop, and the trailer is parked where it goes. There's still more crap in this trailer that needs to be unloaded, but I'm tired. And I do have a little bit of time to move, due to where I'm renting. I had to give them 2 months notice, so I'm gonna enjoy taking my time moving, because the last move was, yeah, we'll just leave it at that. Oh, hi shop. Alright, well, I'll catch you guys back when we do the next load of moving stuff. Truck's doing well. Trailer's doing well. I have a place to store a trailer on my property. Oh my god, this is amazing. And like, this is a 24-foot long trailer, and there's room on all sides. I can fit, if I get really froggy, I could put 2 trailers right next to each other. I'm gonna have to get better at parking trailers, but I mean, yeah, I'll be able to do it. But catch you guys on the next update. Welcome back, guys. So as you see, back at the property again, but I've got a great surprise for you guys.
What's going on, peeps?
Brian's back!
Look, it's December and I have shorts on. That's all that matters.
Oh yeah, Brian's a Florida man. Officially got Brian back. Come here, give me a hug, big guy. Oh,
It's good to be back.
Oh yeah. So Brian, tell the people, is the property as good as it looks on video?
It is. It's better than it looks on video. This is amazing. This is amazing. Something we could never do where we were. So
Yeah,
here we are.
exactly.
With Spanish moss from the trees and palm trees, and no Karen.
I haven't really told him the full story yet. I've only hinted at it. One of these days, Brian and I are gonna sit down and tell you guys exactly
All about Karen.
all about Karen. Why we decided to leave Virginia. And so that's Brian's digs temporarily. As long as you want, really. You figure it out.
We'll figure it out.
But yeah, I mean, I got a house or two, got a property or 2 houses. Why not? So he's here. We're gonna start moving some of his stuff in there and kind of get going. And we'll catch you guys a little bit later, cause
Yeah, you don't want to watch this on a time lapse.
yeah, yeah, don't. You don't want to see
Unless you want to laugh at my clown car with all the stuff I'm going to pull out of it, because it's pretty ridiculous.
it. Yeah,
As you can see, my Kia is sitting a wee bit low.
little low. She's a little loaded, but
Most of that's due to the ammunition in the back, but that's all right.
all right, catch you guys later. Welcome back, people.
What's going on, peeps?
So we got Brian's car unloaded into the guest house.
Just a little bit of stuff in there.
Just a little bit. And we just finished emptying my trailer because we get to take this, and now it's time to start taking stuff from the other property that we're at right now. So
Yay, moving.
yeah. Oh yeah, I know, but pretty stoked about this. All right.
I don't have nothing else. I'm still adjusting to heat and humidity, but it feels good though.
Yeah, it does feel great. But all right, well, we'll catch you guys in a little bit. Welcome back, guys. Brian?
What's going on, peeps?
So, what we figured, like, we've been moving. This video's been taking place over like what, a couple weeks now.
Yeah. Pretty much.
So, well, we figured, because I didn't want to show you guys moving. That's not our content. But we've been thinking in the shop. So we're going to give you guys a sneak peek of what our thoughts are of how we're going to organize the shop. Brian, you want to take lead?
Yeah, I think you could probably stand. We don't need to be walking and stroll around because there's a lot of, as you can see, there's lots of stuff in the way. So, first order of business is I have to organize and pull all the crap down off all those little shelves that are caving in under the weight of some things, and organize and see what we can keep, see what we're not going to keep, because those shelves are coming out. We're going to move those shelves somewhere. If we put some somewhere, some somewhere else, those shelves are coming out. Then we're taking this large warehouse shelf that's hiding in the background there.
This one right here.
Yep. That large warehouse shelf is getting unloaded, and we're going to move that over into that corner so we have a whole wall of warehouse shelving. And we'll probably organize the shelves around a little bit so they're more useful for what we need to do. Because I don't think we have all that really huge stuff, so we can have more useful shelf space there. And then we're going to clean this area out. And we're going to move our toolboxes and some more shelves over here. So we have a toolbox area. There'll probably be something in this lifty area here. We have to probably pull all the stuff down off of that warehouse shelving and that warehouse shelving, and we're probably gonna get rid of those.
Yeah, so if you guys are in the south to central Florida, like the Tampa area, and you want these two little shelves, talk to me because they're for sale.
And then all the other stuff that's on here, so we have a bunch of giant motors, and every time we move something around, we find another big pile of stuff that we're like, oh, what are we gonna do with this?
Yeah. So
yeah, it's slowly growing. So over the next few weeks and videos, while we're getting ready to move the vehicles over, we'll be moving some stuff around. Like I said, we have to go outside and change around that tent area over there so we can move the gantry crane out of here because it's kind of in the way.
Yeah, we'll show them where we're gonna put the gantry crane. We'll take you.
We'll take a little walk.
Take a walk around outside. So I have a convenient little carport, and what we're probably gonna do, since we already measured these poles, we need just taller poles, and I'm just gonna anchor and lock the gantry crane out here. Once I raise this tall enough so it'll still be shielded from most of the weather, and it's got a good paint job on it. So yeah, that's where we're gonna put the gantry crane for right now because it's convenient to have when we need it. But
other than that, it's in the way.
Yeah, it's in the way.
So you guys will be seeing more of us moving stuff around, and while I'm not working yet and Gary's at work, I'll be in here with a outstanding time lapse of me ripping everything down off these shelves and putting it in neat piles all over the floor so I can figure out what to do with it.
Yeah,
because there's probably 50 years worth of a guy being a commercial electrician crammed in boxes and jars and bins and empty cans all over the place. So it's organized very well for what he was looking for, but
yeah,
there's a whole ton of stuff in here that we don't need.
Yeah, the organization is actually insane. Like, we don't know his full organization, but like when we start looking, we're like, oh, all this type of stuff is in this area. Oh, makes sense. But as we're finding stuff, man, it's insane. Hi, gantry crane. This thing is beast. Like, I can pick up the world with this.
Well, they're going to see it because I'm going to pick up my engine with it to put it on the engine stand.
Oh, yeah.
Just because I want to play with the gantry crane.
And it's 120.
It's 120.
It's awesome.
Yeah, that's 120. That's 120. The extra 2-ton motor we have, I think, is another 120 motor.
Yep. It's right around there.
So yeah, that's going to be it. So you guys will be seeing some of me time-lapsed pulling stuff off of shelves and taking shelves down.
And there's gonna be a lot of stuff posted for sale. So like, if some of you guys are in this area and you are like electricians and stuff and want some of this stuff, hit me up because yeah, we don't need it. We're not commercial electricians.
And I don't know what to do with a 450 volt AC motor.
Yeah, there's one, two, three, four, five, six, like 6 over there, a few more over here. Yeah, it's way more. Oh, did you determine that you wanted the new differential that we found?
Oh, I don't.
On it. I also have found a Dana 80 Posi, new in the box.
And some other stuff. We haven't even really pulled all the stuff out of that corner yet.
Yeah,
That's like a week down the line there.
Maybe 2. Because that's gonna be a nightmare. I don't envy you on that one. Thank you, love you.
That'll be fun.
But yeah, man. Oh, I need to order lighting too.
Yeah, we can do that.
I need to count.
It's a lot of lights.
Yeah.
So yeah, in future videos, we're gonna have a whole lot of more LED lighting attached to all these beams up here. So it'll be daylight again.
Yeah, I missed the daylight garage.
This is like a throwback to the old 2 light bulbs in the ceiling garage that we built half that car with.
Yeah, I mean it's better than that, barely, because about the spacing. But yeah, like yeah, you can still kind of see me. Not bad. Anything else?
No, I think we're good for now. Yes, just that's like a kind of an update of what we're going to be doing here. So I know it's not as exciting as building a car, but I kind of need to clear all this stuff out so we can bring the car over and continue finish building it.
Yeah.
Because if we bring that over, we got to bring all the other stuff over, and it's going to get really clustered in here. And
if we don't organize this first,
30 by 50 garage is going to look like Gary's old 2-car garage.
He's not lying. Like we're going to be like.
And even though they're not here, I will end up tripping over Chippendale. They'll just appear out of nowhere and trip me. They're like cats. Those ring lights are like cats.
Yeah. Come out of nowhere, trip you. But thank you guys for spending time and watching and seeing what is going to happen with this. So, if you like this type of content, if you're really looking forward to seeing what this man is about to do in organization, and I'm going to help a little bit, but this man's going to be leading the charge. Comment down below, let us know, hit that subscribe button, and like this video. Have a good one, guys. Peace.